Hola chicas, ¿qué tal estáis? I hope you're keeping all okay. We're just gonna have a look at we're still in this chapter of ¿Qué te pasa? But it's all about your body parts and um all about different parts of your body and things hurting. Okay, just gonna have a little exercise for you to have a look at today. Okay, so the last day we had a look at this verb here, doler, to hurt. You got like me duele, it hurts me. Te duele, it hurts you. Le duele, it hurts him or her. I remember there's an en if it's plural, and an n if it's plural. Os duele or duelen, it hurts you. Les duele, it hurts them. Okay. So in this little exercise now, we're going to practice this le duele here. It hurts him or her. Okay. So I just have this in a Google Doc for you now. So what you're going to do is you're just going to have a look at. You've got 10 people here. You've got Angel, Rocio, Mateo, Lucia, Joaquin, Natalia, Samuel, Montse, Santiago, and Luna. So what you're going to do here is you've got the parte del cuerpo, you've got the part of the body, and the frase. So the example we've got here is like you've got a Susana le duele la rodilla. So Susana hurt her knee, or she has a sore knee. I have this, I have this on a Google Doc free here, just so you can fill it in. Like I cut it, I snipped it from the textbook. Okay, so I've done number one as example here. We've got Angel, so you have to unjumble the word here. This first word here is mano. Okay, so you need to figure out the gender too. So like this is like la mano, el brazo is your arm, cabeza is your head, oído is to do with your teeth. Okay, so just look through them like that's tobilla, dedo, so just run through them, okay, and then you're gonna unscramble the word, and then your sentence here. So I've one done for you. The first one we've got here is Angel. So here we've got a Angel le duele la mano. So Angel has a sore man, and you're going to use this the whole way down. So each one is going to be like a Rocio le duele, a Mateo le duele, a Lucia le duele, and then you're just going to say fill out the full sentence and follow this example. You're going to add in your le duele, and then you're going to put in like if it's L or la, and then the unjumbled word. Is that okay? So just have a look at that. Just those 10 there. The first one done as an example. Okay. We'll keep working it through this chapter. We're just going to keep working through this chapter and try and get as much of it done as we can. We'll have maybe look at un poco of San Valentin, and we'll hopefully try and do a Google Meets maybe on Wednesday, just to do a little Kahoot quiz on Las Partes del Cuerpo. We'll try and aim for that on Wednesday, okay? So hope you're all keeping well. I'll set this as an assignment. Can you submit it? Anybody who submitted the last work was really good, was really excellent in the work I got. So just have a look at this now. Fill in the details, and I'll chat to you mañana. Gracias.